What is going on Facebook and YouTube? This James Davis 25, just a little update. I never made the video of my DeWalt 247 piece mechanic tool set that I bought 3 years ago when I was living at my old trailer, and when I moved over here at the same time when I bought these. Me, both of my friends, well, best friends, and my brother, we used the tool, so nothing's missing out of it. Everything's still there. I have no pieces missing. Anyway, let me show y'all. There is my DeWalt 247 piece mechanic tool set. I found this brand new on eBay. I don't remember what I paid for, but like I said, it was still brand new. So yeah, my best friend, the one who helped me paint the truck, he got me this banner. I guess he bought something and got that, and he gave it to me, so I got it hanged up on my wall. Show y'all the inside of the tool set. Here is the sockets right here, and wrenches and whatever else came with the set. But like I said, this is just a little update of me showing y'all my DeWalt 247 piece mechanic tool set. I keep this one around the house and outside in the shed. I also have a smaller one that stays inside my truck. That way I don't have to carry this one all the time. But like I said, this is just a little update of everything. Anyways, this is James Davis 25. Later.